All right, guys, here's 4K 60 FPS from the OnePlus 6T. I know they don't have any kind of stabilization. Everybody was like, oh, it's too shaky, it's too jittery. But I still like to showcase the phones, man, to show you that 4K 60 FPS is the truth on these things. I mean, it's really, really good. Let's hit that 2x real quick. Look at that. Boom, a little bit of an extended look. When you hit the 2x, you can drag and it'll go in even further. You just drag down like that. You can get really close 8x. My shaky hand. Yeah, that's clean right there, folks. That is clean. Really, really loving this doggone phone. I mean, I knew that I would like it because I like the OnePlus 6. So this was kind of a no-brainer for me. I hit the 2x for you. And let's zoom. Let's go all the way over across the street to the park. Look at that. It straightens up itself. It clears up. And then I'm trying to be real still. That's really clear, folks. That's iPhone XS Max clear. Yeah, this thing doesn't claim to have any kind of stabilization, but I still like to walk. Show you guys how it's going to be. Zoom. Way over. Look how clear that is, man. That is really clear. I love the beautiful sky. I like taking photos of the sky. Let me check this cloud out right here. Look at that. Let's see how we can clear up that cloud. Look at that. That's 4x4 right there. It's beautiful, man. Yeah, just wanted to give you an extended look. This is really, really, really clear, man. It looks beautiful. Let's catch this guy on the bike. Look at him, he getting it. He trying to get it. Yeah. These people are really far away too, man. This is really good. I mean, I didn't expect anything different from the OnePlus 6 because these are the same cameras. It's a windy day out, so I wonder if the noise canceling is doing its job. Look at that. 8x on that. It's beautiful, folks. Extended look on the OnePlus 6T, 4K 60 FPS. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment down below.